Hello and welcome to my video blog. This is Ash and I'm here to keep you all updated and informed about the latest happenings in the marine industry. So without any delay, let's start off with the first update, which is about Cochin Shipyard in India. It says that Cochin Shipyard profit 160 crore. A public limited company has gained a record net profit of 160 crore rupees last academic year, and it was 94 crores in 2007 and 2008. A very high rate of success. Profit also. It says shipyard has manufactured quite a good number of vessels. It performed the dock service of Sagar Kiran and Sagar Bhushan of ONGC and INS Virat of Indian Navy. Recession hasn't affected the company much, Company Secretary Vikala said.
Shipyard of the Millennium, tell us more about it.
Unlike other shipyards in India and also many other shipyards around the world of medium size, we have something unique which we feel is the need of the millennium. The uniqueness is in our diversified portfolio. We have shipbuilding, commercial shipbuilding, we have now naval shipbuilding, we have ship repair, and within that we have offshore and upgradation of offshore oil rigs. We have marine engineering training. So this kind of profile is rarely found in any one medium-sized shipyard. And since we feel that this is the need of the future also, and when we grow, we shall grow in various manners in each of these sectors, that is why I feel it is the shipyard of the millennium.
Let's move on to the next update. It is magnitude 7.6 quake hits off Andaman Islands, tsunami warning issued. A tsunami warning has been issued for India, Myanmar, Thailand, Indonesia and Bangladesh after an earthquake having magnitude of 7.6 hits off Andaman Islands, according to the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center. The quake occurred at a depth of 33.1 kilometer. And the epicenter was 262 km from Port Blair, India and 465 km from Yangon, Myanmar. Similar kind of massive destruction was earlier observed in 2007, where it occurred at a depth of 30 km. Let's move on to another update. It says that HIT punished for workers' death. Hong Kong International Terminal, the original flagship of Hutchison Port Holdings, have penalized for Hong Kong $30,000 on Monday after the death of a crane maintenance worker on June 11, 2007. The worker died from a fall from a jib crane. Let's move on to the further updates. It says that ship casualties mount in wake of Typhoon Morakot. Like yesterday, the biggest news that was Shanghai ports in standstill due to the Typhoon Morakot. The similar continuation is that Taiwan and Eastern China are cleaning up after the damage caused by Typhoon Morakot, which brought destruction and death both on land and out at sea. A Chinese Panamax bulker Chang Ying is thought to have perished with all 22 crew off the southern coast of Taiwan late on Saturday. Well, as you know, viewers, like H1N1 influenza A, H1N1 swine flu is aggravating and it's becoming a very serious issue all over the world. So there is every day in newspapers you will find some of the articles as to how to take care and what are the do's and don'ts that you need to follow to keep yourself protected against swine flu. So also we have similar articles. You'll find in every newspaper an article where WHO guidelines for prevention and care of H1N1. H1N1. So I request all the viewers to go through this and follow such instructions. What are the do's and don'ts? What can you do to protect yourself from catching such dangerous influenza? What are the symptoms? What should you do to think if you have the illness? Then correct use of mask. Those in different states and places, the people are using mask. So what is the right way and how to use the mask? How long you should use a particular mask, and what are the do's, what are the don'ts that you have to follow. So I request all the viewers, you can search it in the net, and every day newspaper keeps on having such articles. So please go through it and take care of yourself and protect yourself against this influenza. We'll catch you tomorrow again. Till then, you take care. Keep watching our blog keep watching my blog ash.marinebiztv.com. Send your comments and information that you want to share. That's all for today. Bye bye.